Jack, I see you like enjoying nature. You're up at the sky, nice blue. Anyways, oh, you get a much more better view if you're on this thing right here. Okay, see? Do you like it? Yeah, it's my blog. Okay. Yeah, so, hopefully... Hey, Jack, did you... Jack? At least the school bully didn't come because, you know, he's so mean and... Jack? 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 Jack, are you okay? Jack!
No, what happened to Jack?
The school bully came and, you know, like, kicked his arm off right there.
Oh,
Yeah, his arm is now gone.
well then.
So, I guess, should
Well,
we call the hospital?
No.
No? You're right. Here, let's go get some pie.
Yeah.
Bye, Jack. Have a good day.
Okay, see you, Jack.
Well, let's stay out here. You know, I really wish we had some pie. You know, I really think we should do something about Jack's broken arm.
I used to be a doctor.
Can you try and fix him?
Yep. Voila.
Oh my. Well then. Jack? Well, whatever. Come on, let's go. Bye, Jack. Again.
Where's Jack?
No!
There you are. Where?
No! Stop
Your
it.
arm's been
No.
fixed.
Jack! No! No! I got you. I got you. I got you. Oh! Kitty! Kitty, help me! I'm Jack. Where'd he go? 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 Where'd he go?
Oh, it's cold over here.
Jack, hold on! Hold on, Jack!
The foot! No! Jack! Jack!
Anyway, so I guess let's go inside now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No!
Jack!